Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to another Reagan Sanai video. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2-strand twist protective style similar to what I did with Ava's hair, which you can check out in this video here. And I'm also going to be showing you 3 additional styles that I did towards the end of the video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. I shampooed Amori's hair with the moisturizing black soap shampoo, and then I just followed it up with a staple conditioner that we always use, but the Reagan Sanai company, they do have an avocado and banana deep conditioner that you can absolutely use and that I would recommend, but we just decided not to use it on Amori's hair for today. After the wash, we layered Amori's hair with 3 products. The first thing that we used was the moisturizing aloe refresher spray, and then we used the moisturizing leave-in detangler and also the nourishing growth oil. Layering all of these products are definitely essential so you can maximize the benefits of all of the products and also maximize the amount of moisture that you are going to get from the products as well. So I just parted out a small section here, and we are going to use the mango butter souffle, and we're going to apply that all to the section. And then after that, we are going to apply the rosemary hibiscus curl defining gel to the section. And then we're going to do a light finger detangle, just being very gentle, especially with Amori, y'all, because you know, if you've been here since she was little, she still doesn't really like getting her hair done. So I have to move even more gentle than what I would normally do. And then we're going to follow that up with combing through with an actual comb. So after the section is detangled, I just take a smaller piece from the larger section and I simply just start to twist. Now, you all know that I don't care about, straight parts for this particular style, but feel free to make your parts a little bit straighter if you feel like, you want to do that, but we don't really care about that. And then I just pretty much follow the exact same steps as far as applying the mango butter souffle and the rosemary and hibiscus defining gel, and I do a finger detangle, follow that up with a comb, and then I just start twisting. So I do that throughout her entire head until it's all done. This is what Amori's hair looks like after we are all done with the twist. And of course, we had to add a bow for a little razzle dazzle. So her hair right now feels so extremely good. It feels so soft. And I say this in all of my Reagan Sanai videos that the products and the moisture that they bring is absolutely amazing. Her hair is very moisturized. It's soft. It's shiny. It feels good. It's bouncy. It's healthy. Okay? So please definitely make sure that you give the Reagan Sanai products a try. And this is the start of me taking down Amori's twist. So her twist lasted for about 2 weeks. They probably could have lasted a little bit longer. You can see they're getting a little bit frizzy, but they still felt really good. But we ended up going to a birthday party this day, so I wanted her to have a nice fluffy, soft twist out. So the results of that is coming. And then also, after the results of the twist out, I have 2 additional styles that we did, which included a wash and go and a cute puff ponytail style. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. And I'll, of course, give you more information about Reagan Sanai as well. So this is style number 3 that we created. This is just a simple wash and go. So again, we washed the hair. I applied the aloe refresher spray, the leave-in conditioner, then sealed that in with the Nourishing growth oil. And then I applied the mango butter souffle all over her hair and then shingled in the curl defining gel. This is style number 4, which is just 4 simple puffs or ponytail puffs with 2 bows in the front. So I am just so thankful to, of course, be working with the Reagan Sanai company. As always, these products are truly amazing. And if, again, you want more information, please check out the description box below. And do not forget the special discount code just for you. That is also in the description box as well. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.